स्थिरैरंग व्यशाः स्वस्ति नो शान्तिः। शंकराचार्यं भेदविभागमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय ॐ शान्ति। व्याप्य लोक क्षणोद्भव पीत्वा सर्वेषान् या भोजय माया स्वात्मा पश्यान् स्वमति विभवान् नरपि शनैः स्थापयित्वा हित्वा विशेषान् पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। द्वितीय अध्याय पेज नंबर 124. So in Tika on Karika we have पृथिव्यादेहे देहादेश्च प्रत्येकम द्वैत निष्ठा सिद्ध्येत. This was the question just व्याधि तत्व देहादि लक्षण देव रज्जु सर्पात्म मायादिवच्च असत मिथ्या. They both are बाह्यम is also मिथ्या, आध्यात्मिकम is also मिथ्या. विकार टीका उक्तस्य विकार what is said विकार जातस्य पृथ्वी आदि also is विकार समूह also विकार. So पंचभूत is also विकार समूह is also विकार समूह. प्रमाणम इस वाचारंभणम द्रष्टुरात्मनोपि दृश्य प्रतियोगित्वात् तुल्यम वाचारण वाच इति आशय. द्रष्टुः आत्मनो अपि दृश्य प्रतियोगित्वात् दृष्टा आत्मा इस दृश्य प्रतियोगी मीन्स 6 नंबर टिप्पणी दृश्य सापेक्षत्वात्. बिकॉज दृश्य इज देयर देन ओनली देर इज द्रष्टा. साक्ष्य इज देयर देन देर इज साक्षी. सो दिस इज सापेक्ष प्रतियोगित्व इज देयर. साक्ष्य प्रतियोगित्व ऑफ साक्षी मिथ्या वाचारं भणत्वम्. सो साक्षित्व और द्रष्टृत्व, आत्मा इज नॉट मिथ्या. आत्मा च सबाह्याभ्यंतरो ही अजोह, अपूर्वो अनंतरो अबाह्यो कृत्स्न आकाशवत् सर्वगतः. दिस आत्मा च इज नॉट ए कोटेशन. सबाह्या is one quotation. Then apurva anaparaha is not given here in quotation. Then anantaro abahya, this is one quotation. Krishna, this is separate. Then akashavat sarvagata is separate quotation. Sukshmo achalaha, these are not quotations, they are just separate. I mean, they could be just words from different mantras. Nirguno nishkalo nishkriya, then tat satyam sa atma tattvamasi iti shrutehe. So these are all different quotations. टीका. भवतु परस्य आत्मनः तत्तद आगम वचन निर्देशात् उक्त लक्षणत्वं, तथापि द्रष्टुरात्मनो न यथोक्त रूपत्वम् इति आशंक्याः. परस्य आत्मनः तत् आगम वचन निर्देशात्. So starting from Atma cha Sabahyaabhyantaro Hajah up to Nishkriya, this much part you see. He says, okay, this is Atma having all these lakshana. Tathapi drashtu Atmano na yathokta rupatvam. But maybe this is not its real nature. इति आशंक्याः. तत्सत्यम स आत्मा तत्त्वमसि. तत्सत्यम स आत्मा, this is the reality, this is the only reality, and that is you. विशेषणानि तु प्राचीनानि तत्तदागमोपात्तानि अपनरुक्तानि. विशेषणानि तु प्राचीनानि, all these visheshanas are प्राचीनानि तत्तद आगम उपात्तानि अपुनरुक्तानि. Prachinani means they are anadi, they are beginningless. Prachina literally means beyond, like very old. So all these, what are these visheshanas? These Sukshmo, Achalo, Nirguno, Nishkriyo, Nishkala, all these, and Apurva, Anaparaha, Anantara, Abahya, Krishna, all these visheshanas, Prachinani Tattad Agama Upattani. They all are from Agama, therefore Apunaruktani. There is no Punarukti. Because somebody may say this is just repetition of one point here, one point there. So they all are not together. They are, see 7 number tippani. एक वाक्योपात्तानां ही समानार्थकानां पौनरुक्त्यं भवति इति भावः. एक वाक्य उपात्तानां समानार्थकानां. एक वाक्य, if there is one sentence and if there are words which have the same meaning, then it is called punarukti. Like if I say Ghatam Kalasham Anaya, then there is Punarukti, because you don't have to say Ghata and Kalasha. So in one sentence, two words with same meaning. But here it is not like that. First of all of them are not in the same sentence. They are all different in different shastras, different Shruti. And they have different meaning also. Even if they say Nirguno, Nishkriyo, Nityo. So Nirguna means different, Nishkriya means different. Guna Rahita and Kriya Rahita, they have different meanings. Dvitiyardham Vyachaste. Iti evam, Dvitiya half, second half means Dvitiya second line. So Tattvam Adhyatmikam Drashtva is done. Tattvam Drashtva tu Bahyatah. So in Adhyatmika Vastu, I have to see the essence, negating the Nama Rupa in Panchakosha. And in Panchamahabhuta also, negating the Panchamahabhuta Nama Rupa, I have to see Atma in this way. Then what happens? Iti evam tattvam drashtva tattvi bhutas tadaramo na bahya ramano yatha atattvadarshi kaschit chittam atmatvena pratipannah tattvi bhutah tadaramaha. So in this way, when he sees tattvam, tattvi bhutah, he sees tattvam not as different from him. He himself is the tattvam, tattvi bhutah. Tadaramaha, na bahya ramanaha. Arama or ramanam in tattva alone. Na yatha atattvadarshi. In that way you have to read. Na bahya ramano yatha atattvadarshi. Kaschit. Chittam atmatvena pratipannaha. What does atattvadarshi do? He takes his mind as himself. Chittam atmatvena pratipannaha. He takes his mind as Atma. Then chitta chalanam anuchalitam atmanam manyamanaha. When mind is disturbed, he says, I am disturbed. Because he cannot distinguish between mind and Atma. Tattvat chalitam dehadibhutam atmanam kadachit manyate. When chitta is chalitam, then he says, I am chalita. Tattvat chalitam dehadibhutam atmanam kadachit manyate. How he says, prachuto ham atma tattvat idani iti. I am fallen from my abidance. Prachuto aham atma tattvat. From self I have fallen. Idani, now. Okay, let us see Tippani 1, 2, 3. Anulakshyai lakshikritya nischitya ityartha. So, anuchalitam means he does this this kind of idea, nischaya. Anulakshikritya nischitya. Anuchalitam. So, first he does this nischaya. If chittam is chalitam, I have fallen. This nischaya he gets. Tattvat sthuladi nija swarupat iti bhava. His idea of tattva itself is erroneous. So tattvat chalitam means from that erroneous idea. That is why it is called sthulat. इदानीं कार्श्यावस्थायाम् इत्यर्थः. कार्श्य अवस्था means कार्श्य literally means very thin, very weak. In his weak abidance he has fallen. टीका. आत्मा रामत्वं कथम इत्याशंक्य बाह्य विषयासक्तिं त्यक्त्वा प्रत्यगात्मनि एव परितृप्तत्वात् इत्यर्थ. आत्मा रामत्वम is when bahya asakti is not there. Pratyagatmani eva paritrypta. He is content in Pratyagatma alone. Na bahya. Samahite tu manasi, when mind is samahita, kadachit tattvabhutam prasannatmanam कदाचित तत्वभूतम प्रसन्नात्मानं मन्यते इदानीम अस्मि तत्विभूत इति. So when mind is samahita, calm, then he says इदानीम तत्विभूतः अस्मि. Right now I am one with that tattva. Means I am abiding in tattva. What is abiding is mind. He will say I am abiding. Samahite tu manasi kadachit tattvabhutam prasannatmanam manyate. The Atma is happy. Atma is happy means mind is content. Atma sukham is pratibimbitam. He says, I am tattvibhuta iti. टीका. तत्वाद अप्रच्युतो भवेत् इति एतद् व्यतिरेक मुखेन व्याकरोति यथा इत्यादिना. So व्यतिरेक मुखेन यथा अतत्वदर्शी, from there. अतत्वदर्शी इति छेदः. That avagraha is already put. Atmavido, so they have to write such things in Tika because in Moolam there was no avagraha. Avagraha is there in the printed books now, but in the original Yatha Tattvadarshi, only that much was written. So person who reads has to know this is about atattvadarshi. That's why Tikakar said atattvadarshi iti chhedaha. Atmavido na avyavasthitam atmadarshanam iti atra hetumaha. For atmajnani atmavidaha na avyavasthitam atmadarshanam iti. For Atmajnani, there is no avyavasthitam Atmadarshanam. Why? In Atma there is no Prachyuti and Aprachyuti, Samahita and Asamahita. These things are not there. It is Eka Swarupa. That is given in Bhashya. न तथा आत्मविद भवेत. आत्मज्ञानी डजंट हैव दीज थिंग्स. व्हाई? आत्मनः एक रूपत्वात् स्वरूप प्रत्यवन असंभवाच्च. आत्मा इज ऑफ वन नेचर एक रूपत्वात् स्वरूप प्रच्युति इज नॉट पॉसिबल. स्वरूप प्रत्यवन असंभवाच्च. means its Swarupa of Atma will never change. So my nature never changes. This I should understand. I am not mind, I am not intellect, I am Atma. See, we put forth effort to study Shastra. Shastra is infinite. We try to study so many scriptures, starting with Vyakarana, Nyaya, Mimamsa, and then Sankhya Sutra, Yoga Sutra, and then Vedanta. And in Vedanta also Prasthanatraya, with Bhashya, with Tika, with Tippani, and Brihat Prasthanatraya, bigger Granthas, Vartika, etc. They are called Akara Grantha. In Advait Siddhi, couple of times he will write Madhusudan Saraswati. In Akara Grantha it is said. Akara Grantha means Bhagavan's Bhashya in Brahadaranyaka, Brahma Sutra and Vartik. They are the Akara Granthas. Akara means the treasure you called, or the mines. Mine, M-I-N-E, mine. But all this will be in intellect, buddhi. So, each person will have limitation in intellect. Somebody can study more, somebody can memorize more, somebody can study less and memorize even less. What can you do? I am Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Brahma. This also I have to remember. So, in that Pratyavana is not possible. Sati Swarupe Swarupat Pratyute Aprasaktatvat Tat Pratishedo Yukto Na Bhavati Iti Ashankyaha. Sati Swarupe, since it is my Swarupa, Swarupat Pratyute Aprasaktatvat. Swarupat Pratyut is not possible. So it is Aprasakta Vastu. Aprasaktasya Pratishedha. Tat Pratishedo Na Yukto Bhavati. So Swarupa, from there Pratyut is not possible. If Pratyut is not there, its Nishedha is also not possible. Na Yukto Bhavati iti ashankaha sadaiva brahmasmi. So it is not that earlier I was not Brahma, now I am Brahma. You say, but you only say before Brahmakar Vritti and after Brahmakar Vritti there is Veda. That trigger is Brahmakar Vritti. If before Brahmakar Vritti and after Brahmakar Vritti there is no difference, because Brahmakar Vritti is in Buddhi, then how there will be difference between Jnani and Ajnani, Punarjanma or Apunarjanma, Bandha and Moksha? Some criteria has to be there. This is Brahmakar Vritti. Sadaiva Brahma Asmi. I am all the time Brahma. I am Ekarupaha. I am Aprachyutaha. This is Brahmakar Vritti. And in that, if Sanshaya is not there, Viparya is not there, then your work is over. Sadaiva Brahmasmi iti aprachyuto bhavet tattvat. Then after that there is some correction. Bhavet tattvat. Then sada aprachyuta atma tattva darshano bhavet iti abhiprayah. All you have to do is bhavet tattvat, then sada aprachyuta. Only that much correction you have to make. Sa and da. Half ta is there, you remove. Prior to that, the is there, you put halant, and then sada aprachyuta atmatattva darshano bhavet. Sada atmadarshana, which is aprachyuta. There is no falling, there is no change. Sada sarvada, it is same. This is who I am. Vastunah sadaika rupatve smritim udaharati. Now smriti udaharana he gives. Shuni chaiva shvapake cha panditaha samadarshinaha. Samadarshinaha sadaika rupa vastudarshinaha eva panditaha na अन्ये तथा इत्यर्थः. Those who can see sada ekarupa vastu, they are pandita, not those who see different things at different times, etc. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu, another swarupa apratyavane cha smritim darshayati. This is another smriti. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu tishthantam parameshwaram. Then vinashyatsu vinashyantam ya pashyati sapashyati. Tatra hi indika तत्र ही विनश्यत्सु अविनश्यंतम इति स्वरूप अप्रत्यवनम उक्तम. So two things he wanted to show. Atmanah ekarupatvam, sada ekarupatvam, and swarupa apratyavanam. So two quotations he gives. First, Shuni chaiva shvapake cha pandita. This is Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini. Fifth chapter. So in that, Samadarshanam is Sada Ekarupa Vastu Darshanam. And a Sadrupana. And second one is Samam Sarveshu Bhuteshu. There Vinashyatsu Avinashyantam. Things which are subject to constant change and destruction, in that Avinashi is Atma, Swarupa Apracyavanam, that which doesn't change from its Swarupa. Iti Uktam. Ityadi Smritehe. In this way, Dvitiya Adhyaya Vaitathya Prakarana is over. श्री गोविंद भगवत पूज्य पाद शिष्यस्य परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्यस्य शंकर भगवतः कृतौ गौडपादीय आगम शास्त्र भाष्य वैतथ्याख्यम द्वितीय प्रकरणम. तत्वीभूतः 1 number टिप्पणी was ब्राह्मीभूतः, and on previous page तत्वीभूत टिप्पणी तत्वात्. Second number tippani on 124 was Thuladi Nija Swarupat. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Padarayam सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति.